To make a door kick-in proof like a tank, plan to spend time choosing the right materials and expect a range of expenses based on hardware quality and whether you install it yourself. Upgrading door security starts with reinforced strike plates and longer screws that anchor into the stud behind the jamb rather than the jamb alone. Choose a strike plate rated for high force and use 3-inch screws for the top and bottom strikes placed diagonally through the plate so the load transfers into framing. Replace the standard deadbolt with a reinforced lock assembly designed to resist twisting and punching, and consider a lock with a solid steel or hardened bolt at least 1 inch in throw for maximal resistance. Add a jamb reinforcement kit that wraps or replaces the jamb to prevent splitting under impact, but measure the gap and swing direction first, since some kits need 2-person fitting or light routing. For many homes, a solid core or metal door makes the biggest difference, so if the existing door is hollow, consider replacing it before spending on advanced hardware. When budgeting, allow for buying quality hardware rather than the cheapest options, since that lowers total cost by avoiding repeat purchases and potential contractor returns. Common mistakes include using short screws that only enter the door frame, which still allows the jamb to split, so always swap to 3-inch screws that reach the stud. Another issue is buying mismatched or low-quality components like a cheap latch with an otherwise strong plate, which creates a weak link. So pick components rated for heavy residential use and match bolt size to plate opening. A third concern is underestimating installation complexity. Poor alignment or rushed fitting can render hardware ineffective, so if you do not have basic carpentry tools and steady measuring skills factor in professional installation, or take time to follow detailed, step-by-step guides and check clearances before final screws go in. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners compare hardware types and local pricing so we can plan realistic budgets for strike plates, reinforcement locks, and full upgrades. We also give contractors a place to find work and join our discussion community so we can all share installation tips and real-world cost experiences.